Hey you guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are digging into another review, but this time it's gonna be a peel off mask. Now if you don't know that how much I love peel off mask, go check my Instagram. My handle would be somewhere on the screen. Go check it out. I have used so many peel off masks, but somehow I just recently stopped doing peel off masks. So I went to a supermarket and there I found a peel off mask. So I thought, why not try it out? And the peel off mask which I am talking about is this from VLCC. Now this is our so near and dear brand. I used to use it when I was in college, like 5-6 years back. Yeah, I did college long ago. So this was the mask we are going to talk about, and I am so sorry if the video is a little bit noisy because my window is very close to running road and people walk by that road a lot with their vehicles, not even by their foot. So yeah, I'm so sorry if the video is a little noisy. So this is the product we are going to talk about. Now this is the VLCC Natural Sciences ka whitening and brightening charcoal peel off mask, and this is basically activated charcoal in a mask. Okay, so we would be using activated charcoal in the mask, but let's first read about the mask itself, that how much it retails for. It retails for 348 rupees. Oh my god, I actually bought it with so many products, so I didn't see the price at that time. I thought it is somewhere between 150 to 250, but it's a little pricey. Okay, now you get 100 grams of mask in it, and it has quite a lot of benefits which I want to talk about. That's why I bought it as well. So they say that this will absorb skin toxin, it will cleanse your pores, so I guess this would be better, or it's too good for oily skin or open pore skin girls. And it will remove your blackhead. Oh my god, I have got so severe blackheads on my nose. And it will remove dirt as well. It has vitamin C for lightening and brightening. It has mulberry, which will reduce the fade the dark spots basically. Vitamin E for sun damage. Rose water, वो तो मेरे को वैसे ही बहुत पसंद है. That will just gives you soothing effect. Rose water does not have any any potential skincare benefit for you, but it is very good in soothing out your skin. But it acted as a very good toner for my skin back in the days. Now I don't use it as a toner. Now after that, it has lemon oil which will help restore skin luster. Then it has turmeric oil which will prevent acne. So I guess this mask is totally good for acne prone skin or oily skin girls. I can guess they should use it. Now let's just quickly see what are the directions to use it. बस face wash करना है, pat dry करना है, then apply the VLCC peel off mask. 20-30 minutes लगेगा, and then take it off. And for best results, use at least once a week. I always say that use these all sort of masks twice a week, not once a week, twice a week. That will give you the optimum results. So I think the talking part is done now. Now we should dig into how it looks like and how it feels on the skin. But one drawback of this product was that कोई इस पे कोई कवरिंग नहीं था, ना कोई कार्डबोर्ड कवरिंग था, ना कोई प्लास्टिक रैप है. सो आई फील लाइक कि सबने इसको यूज़, मतलब थोड़ा बहुत ऑन द काउंटर वी यूज़ इट, एंड दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. ओह यार, ओके, इट्स क्वाइट फ्लोई. It's quite flowy and quite black in color. Okay, you can see that. Okay, जब इसको manipulate करते हैं तो it turns into a transparent mask. I think it's time we should apply the mask on the skin. I have a little bit blush on my skin. I'm applying orange blushes on my skin these days. I am really loving it. So let's just apply this one as well. Okay, now I tied my hair back so that there is no hair on my face, and now we are going to use it. I'm going to use my fingers only because spatula, they just don't do it for me. I start feeling very hot on the face as soon as I applied it. Okay, let's see. Yeah, there's some sensation that I got from it. I should check the date first. I hope this one is not expired. This is 2021 make. It feels very awkward. Actually, I'm feeling like जैसे मैं bleach लगा रही हूँ. That bleach वाला feeling. My God, it started feeling so hot. I just can't open my eyes. What is it? Oh, it smells so bad. Fuck. Phew. Okay, I'm not gonna apply it all together on my face. It smells like alcohol or some very ganda type of alcohol. I smell is not at all pleasing, and you know the smell is going to my eyes as well. That sensation is going to my eyes as well, and I am getting a sort of burning sensation as well. I'll see if the burning sensation will continue for some time. I'm gonna take it off ऐसे ही कुछ और ही ना मेरी skin को हो जाए. But I'm gonna keep myself in front of refrigerator as well. But I'm gonna give it good 15-20 minutes so that it sets, and then we're gonna take it off and see the result. But the feeling is not very pleasant. It is very hard on your skin. I mean, I'm not liking this feeling. This is really hard, and it has got some very bad ingredients in it. I just can't open my eyes, man. This smell is so bad. Let's just wait for 15 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna come back to the screen. I'm gonna tell you that what I'm feeling. But right now I started feeling like menthol type of sensation. First it was giving me burning sensation. It just immediately gave me that menthol sensation. Okay, let's wait for 15-20 minutes. Okay guys, the mask is dry now and I am not feeling that itchy. Okay you guys, the mask is dry now and I am not feeling that itchy feeling, and now this feels more like a menthol feeling, जो cooling वाला sensation होता है. It started from burning and it immediately went to that cooling वाला sensation. But definitely मेरी आंखों को बहुत pain हुआ था when I was doing it. So now I'm gonna take it off और देखते हैं कितने blackheads निकलते हैं and कितना it's gonna detoxify my skin. So let's just take it off now. कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ? There is a reason कि I'm breaking it because I want कि मेरा जो nose area उसे मैं अच्छे से निकालूँ so that blackhead comes off. Definitely some of the. Okay, first I should take it off. Ow! Ooh. Not the most pleasing sensation. Okay, nose area पे you can, if you can see, I don't know, थोड़े से white heads जो हैं वो निकले हैं. It's not like कि purely detoxified. थोड़े से white heads ज़रूर निकले हैं. Next time I'm gonna apply it only on my nose. Yes, actually निकले हैं. Whiteheads are coming off easily. Just gonna wash it off क्योंकि अब इससे आगे ये हाथ से नहीं निकलेगा for sure. और इससे पहले मौसम भी खराब हो जाए, मेरा ऑडियो खराब हो जाए, मुझे gonna quickly wash it off. Okay you guys, I've washed my face and that's how it looks after mask. Have not applied any moisturizer, anything on my face, just a lip color because I was looking very raw. That's why I applied it beforehand as well. So this is how the skin looks like. It definitely cleansed. I felt like it cleaned my face a lot and it deeply cleanses as well. And about the blackhead remove करने वाला claim, let me show you. There are still some blackheads. I guess I need to concentrate more on this area to remove the blackheads, you know. A thick layer of mask has to be put on this area, and then it has to be peeled off really, you know, slowly, so that it takes off all the blackhead. And also before that you have to do a little bit of steaming. That we're gonna experiment after some time, or maybe in another video. But as of now, my face really feels thanda. Oh my god, it feels like it's coming out of ice. I mean, it feels like I have a ice massage on my face. It's so thanda right now. I feel like itna cold hai. I mean, it's like freezing cold on my face. I don't feel any sweat right now. It's a little bit sweaty. वैसे तो rain has started, but again it's a little bit sweaty. But again, I don't feel sweat because my face is so damn thanda. Okay, so I like to say it, thanda. Okay, so definitely it has cleansed deeply, and I feel like my skin is a lot more brighter and lighter than before. Obviously a peeling mask does its job beautifully, and I will actually recommend you guys this face mask. The only drawback of this face mask was the smell. It's quite smelly, and it's quite repulsive to your eyes when you apply it. Oh my god, your skin feels bad for the very first 3-4 minutes. Okay, you cannot just apply it, cannot open your eyes. If you're someone जिसे ये first initial phase जो है वो cross कर सकता है without so much, you know, irritation, I am not sure कि ये वाला जो face mask है that will suit some, you know, sensitive skin or not, because I highly don't recommend it for sensitive skin. But normal and oily skin के लिए it's gonna be good, but sensitive skin people, they just should not try it. Or if you want to try it, just do a patch test over here on your jawline, so that you would be, you know, seeing the results as well. Yeah, I would recommend you guys to use this mask, and share your reviews or share your views in the comment box. Or if you have any inquiries about this mask, just drop down a comment, I will reply. And if you have any other videos or any other reviews you want me to make, then obviously drop down a comment. And if you like the video, make this video. And if you like the video, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment, share with your friends, and I will meet you in my next video. Till then, stay happy. Bye bye.